If there are people that create this type of content, therefore you also get attraction, you also get viewers. YouTube is going to frustrate you when you're just starting newly because they don't actually know your viewers, they don't know who your viewers are. Hey guys, my name is Possible, and the reason I'm making this video is because of those people that are about to quit YouTube. So I want to tell you that YouTube is not a joke, it's not something easy. I know that, but if you can be consistent, you will surely win in the long run. So I'm going to share my journey and the reasons why you shouldn't quit YouTube. Yes, I've been doing YouTube for over 5 years now, and you won't believe that it was this year I actually started making some good amount of money from YouTube. So the first thing you need to do if you want to actually grow on YouTube is you have to niche down, especially if you're a Nigerian YouTuber. You have to niche down. Forget everything other big YouTubers will tell you that don't niche down, just be posting random content, be posting anything you like, then you find what you like eventually on the way. But that's the lie. The reason why I said it's a lie is because when you're posting random content, the YouTube algorithm won't know which person to push your video to. So they're going to just start, well, maybe today you post about cooking, tomorrow you post about vlog. Before you know, you're going to confuse the algorithm. So you're going to be having a bunch of random subscribers on your channel, and maybe the day you post vlog, the people watching cooking videos won't watch that vlog, and that will lead to a lower click-through rate, and automatically your video is going to what, die down. YouTube won't push it to more audience. So you have to niche down if you want to actually make it on YouTube, and you have to look for something you enjoy doing. You have to look for something you enjoy doing, because when you don't love something, when you just keep on making something you don't enjoy, but because you know that people are making it on this particular niche, when you just keep on making those type of videos, automatically you're going to burn out on the way. But if you're making something you enjoy, even if you're not making any money from it, you're going to keep on doing that thing because you love it. Is that understood? You're going to keep on doing that thing because you love what you're doing. So just keep on making content that you love and you enjoy, and you know that there's actually a group of people. There are also people that create those type of content. Is that understood? If there are people that create those type of content, therefore you also get attraction, you also get viewers. But if nobody is creating that type of content, if your videos are not optimized to come out in search results, that means nobody is searching for it, there's no how you're going to get views. In this way, you start creating videos, maybe you're creating videos of just normal normal random stuff you do at home, and people are not searching for this type of content, automatically you're not going to get views. But if you're creating content that people are searching for, when you just join YouTube newly, you have to create value. You have to create value. When you create value, then people actually subscribe to your channel. But if you just come to YouTube and you start posting different random stuff that is not educating people, they are not going to subscribe to your channel, and automatically you're not going to get subscribers. But if you are actually going into entertainment, if you're doing entertainment content, you have to actually optimize those. You have to optimize those entertainment content so that you can be able to get views from YouTube search. Yes, there are also animation. There are animations, like my brother does animations. So you can go into animations, you can go into comedy skits, but make sure when you're going to those type of content, you have to have your videos optimized. But if you're going to educational content like me, I actually have five channels right now, five YouTube channels, and I have two monetized. So if you're going to educational content, I have one channel that is on entertainment that is monetized, and one is on educational and it's monetized. But I'm not going to tell you about those channels. But in the future, I'm going to be showing you my earnings on those particular channels. So you have to be consistent in what you're doing. In order for you to grow on YouTube, you need to be consistent and you need to enjoy what you are doing. And you also have to what, niche down. You have to niche down. YouTube is going to frustrate you when you're just starting newly because they don't actually know your viewers. They don't know who your viewers are. But if you niche down and you're posting content regularly on that particular videos, let me say you're talking about how to wash clothes, and you keep on making clothes videos. Maybe you're making videos on how to wash clothes, how to dye a clothes. You're making similar type of videos. Automatically your audience are going to enjoy it because it's related to clothes videos. Is that understood? It's related to clothes videos, so they are going to keep on watching those type of videos. Is that understood? You're going to continue watching those type of videos, and automatically you're going to get views, especially if your videos is optimized. If you want me to make a video on how to optimize your videos, please comment down below. This is actually my first video, me revealing my face on this channel. I actually have different faceless channels. I want you to know that quitters don't win and winners don't quit. Yes, so if you're starting a YouTube channel, I want you to just be consistent. Don't worry, the views will come. Just continue making those videos and optimizing them very well. When I started my new channel, last year, and I got it monetized in less than a year. Yes, I got it monetized in less than a year. And when I was posting videos on this particular channel, I was not getting any views until my 10th video. When I uploaded my 10th video, the YouTube just took off the video, and from there they started watching my previous videos because I was creating similar content. So they started watching my similar videos. If you're starting YouTube, don't quit. Just continue making content and the views will come, the subscribers will come, as long as you're creating good videos. So when you start getting attraction, maybe when you get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube, then you can start collaborating with people. This is something many small YouTubers underestimate. If you collaborate with people, you are likely to blow up on YouTube because those people's audience automatically syncs with your own. I actually did my first collaboration when I had 2,000 subscribers. Then I just got an email from someone in Nigeria. Also, the content I create are not for Nigerians because Nigerians have low CPM. So I create faceless channels and I create good quality videos. I deliver value to people. This is actually my first channel of me showing my face and educating people. I don't like showing my face because of personal reasons. But now I want to be posting videos with my face on this particular channel. So if you're actually new here, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because I'll be bringing more videos for you guys. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friend, and I'll see you all in my next video.